Hello and thank you for visiting Luscombe Motors. Today I'm going to show you a short video around our lovely Toyota Prius Plus Excell in a reservoir blue. Now this is a 1.8 TSS, which stands for Toyota Sense Safety. It's a full hybrid automatic and it has 30,896 miles on the clock. It can do an impressive 57.7 miles per gallon, making it a very economical hybrid. One of the biggest features is that it is a 7-seater. It's had one previous owner and it also has full service history. So next I'll show you a little look inside the boot space. As you can see there, with the seats folded down, it does have a very generous boot space, which can be perfect for doing long journeys, trips away, airport runs for example. I'll just show you for reference how it looks with the seats up there. So you still do get a little bit of room at the back there, even with the seats upright. Next I'll show you just a little look inside the rear of the vehicle. As you can see, it does have half leather seats there available. Moving around to the front, here is your multimedia touchscreen panel. Now this will come standard with a sat-nav, a reverse camera. Now that is accompanied with reverse parking sensors, DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. Here is your leather multifunctional steering wheel. So from here you can adjust your radio and volume settings. Some more features of this car would be its automatic headlights and automatic wipers. It does have hill launch assist as well as lane departure warnings. This vehicle has 18 months left remaining on its warranty. Before it leaves the dealership, it will be given 12 months of advisory-free MOT and it will be given a fresh service. If you would like any further information on this vehicle, or if you would like to take it for a test drive, do feel free to get in touch. Myself or one of my colleagues will be more than happy to help yourself going forward. Thank you very much.